Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a footer menu like this one in Brizy. So here, if you hover here, you can see there is 1 2 3 4 5 boxes or containers. So we start here, add a new block, and then you go here, create your own, and now you have one box already. So we start with 2 and then we'll add more to go or to have 5. So start here with 2 and we just drag along on the right side so that we can put elements here. And on the left side you can see there is image element and then text element, and this one is social media element. So first we bring the image element, and you see it's a huge one. We just have to make it smaller, clicking in this corner and dragging it down. And again we're going to take a text element here, and here you can see this one, company all right reserved. So you just edit this one and write company all right reserved. And here if you hover over, you can see there is a empty space, nothing is written there. So that also you can have in the element that calls spacer. You just bring that spacer and drop underneath of that image. Now you can choose the image from your library. You go there and we just choose any image we would like to. So for now I am going to choose this image. I select it and I can drag it. So we have the image here, and then we have the spacer and the social media for So to add the social media button, we can go here, add a new block again. We can click there, and now we can take one block from here, footer, and then we can take this one. And here you can see you have already social media button. So that one you can actually drag and paste here. And now you see you have the social media button already there. And when you are adjusting using this, you can put them in left side, right side, and everywhere you would like them to be. And if you just click here and see, you can copy here. It's also true for there as well. You copy here, and if you just click again and go in the star sign, and now you can change the icon. So you have the categories. You have business and finance, holidays, touch gestures, technology. So just we hover on technology, we see what we can see there. There are many signs that actually covers all kind of tech gadgets and computer science. So we click it here. Now you see that it is changed. So social media can also be changed with the icon you want them to be. It doesn't have to be Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest. It can, you can also choose different icon as well. And now we're entering the second, fourth, third, and fourth. So we need 3 more containers. Just go in this corner and just copy 1 2 3 containers. So now we have gotten 3 containers. So every one of them will have the menu item. So how we do that? We go here, we write menu, we drag it, and we paste in this plus button. And also it's true for here as well. Menu, bring it, drag it, fill it. And again, menu, bring it, drag it, and fill it. So usually all of the menu is in horizontal position, but if the space becomes lesser, they automatically move to vertical position. But you can actually do it manually. You could just go here, press here, and now you can see the orientation. It is now vertical. And also you go here, press here, orientation vertical. So for each item, if you would like some changes, you just have to hover on each item and there should be an arrow where you can edit them. And also you can go here and align them in the middle or in the right or in the left. So each one I'm going to align on the left, just using that option. So everything goes on the left side. And now you can see here there are 4 descriptions of each menu: about us, learn, services, contact. So what we can do is bringing a text element on top of there, text element here as well, text element here as well, and here. Now you just go and edit those text elements. So here, about us, and this one, learn, this one, services and contact, services and contact. So you will write something, a little description about your menu here, and then people knows that when they're clicking in these items, they are going in the service. And here you can also change the menu. You can see the menu items has been changed. So come here, go here, and menu items, you just change to different ones. So you can put different menus in these sections. So now you can see it's almost identical to this one. Just this one we need a little bit larger. And this way you can actually play around and make really interactive footer menu. Thank you very much for watching.